for SSL, like SSL is what currently the website is in HTTP, right? But what we have, what we want us to use HTTPS, right? Before starting this, so let me tell you how you can do this, right? Okay, so inside my dashboard, you just have to go on plugin and hide. So I will just go on add new and let's try something SSL. One click free SSL certificate. Let's try this. And click on activate. And just click on allow. And just go with the free. So we will generate it and just put my email address and generate the SSL certificate. Okay, now we have to verify the domain. So what I will do is just copy this and go on Hostinger and on dashboard first, right? And here you can see the DNS zones, and just add a record which is of type, so the DNS txt type. So what we will do is select the txt and 60 or lowest value possible. Okay, so what we will do is just name it, and then here is the value. So I will just copy the whole value and paste the value and 60 and just add a record. It's added. Now I will just go on the second record. Are added, and then I will just verify, and it's just verified. Congrats, SSL certificate has been generated. Now you have to click here to log into your cPanel, then open SSL and manage SSL, and here are the text files that we have to put, right? So what we will do is just go on Hostinger, then dashboard, and just try to find the SSL, and here is the SSL. Then import SSL, and here is the CRT. So I will just copy it and just paste the CRT, then private is private key, and then CA bundle, paste it, and then install. SSL is now installed successfully. You can now visit the website here. So SSL is now completely installed. As you can see, the next thing you have to do is the HTTPS thing, right? So you can just go on dashboard and you can turn on the force HTTPS here, right? So it will just do it. See, okay. Now we are going to move on with the website thing, and I will teach you to how you can make your whole website, right? More modern look and the latest websites in the market, right? So let's get started with the thing.